The mystic side is already inside of you, just being dormant. These runes were designed to unlock it and activate this ability. Watch till the end of the video to learn how to use it. This rune formula consists out of 4 runes. The first rune is the rune Pertro. This rune is strongly related to intuition and to clairvoyance. Its meaning loosely translates as the rune bag out of which the rune comes, so all the seemingly random events, those are actually not so random. This rune is a doorway into the hidden invisible world and also the rune of perception of all these hidden things. The next rune is the rune Algis, is the rune of the higher forces, rune of divine guidance and also rune of increased energy. This rune will help you. This rune will invoke the divine guidance into the process of this rune, which is very important for such kind of things. The third rune is the rune Lagos, is the rune of the water element, so it's related to intuition and clairvoyance and all kinds of trance states. The fourth rune is the rune Eivas, is the rune of the mystical transformation, rune of magical transformation. It represents the tree of life and also all the necessary inner transformations, those are needed to unlock and develop these abilities. So together these 4 runes will teach you a lot about your intuition, about your perception and how to handle these abilities with the help of the divine forces. An appropriate incantation for this rune formula could sound like this. By the power of these runes, my ability to perceive and to understand will be greatly enhanced, so be it. Download my free runes PDF file with rune meanings, rune formulas and rune spreads. The link is in description or on my profile page. Now, how do you activate the rune formula? Draw the runes on a piece of paper. Then take a candle in a candle holder, put it on top of your paper, say your incantation, and then light the candle. Let the candle burn down completely. After that, the amulet is activated and ready. For more detailed instructions, get my Rune Magic Quick Start course. It's a short, value-packed video course that will answer all your questions and enable you to start doing rune magic today.